Hello, welcome to our next video. This is Tesla Ken for the Cybertruck.com website. And today we've got another quick unboxing here from something sent to us from Yeslak. So we know we've seen some of their carbon fiber interior products before. What have they sent us today? We'll pull a few of these packing items out here. It seems to be pretty well packed. We've got a little adhesive promoter. We know what that means. There's something that's going to have to be stuck onto something else. I'm going to pull this out of the sleeve here real quick. And sure enough, we have one of the new matte carbon fiber door panel covers. So I'm not sure if this is a front door or back door. I know they are different side to side, so why don't I go ahead and open the doors of the Cybertruck here and we'll figure out where this particular one goes. I think this might be, let's see, looks a bit big and a bit short for the front, so guess what? That doesn't go in the front. This one must go in the back. So let's open the back door here and we'll give it a look. Sure enough, we have the item here from one side to another. We can see that that matches up and lines up pretty well. I am told from Yeslak that if I want to do like test fitting, I don't have to remove the adhesive strips that are on the back, these adhesive strips, that just to do a nice test fitting that this will kind of clip down. And they are right. I have simply set this down over the top without any adhesive at the moment. I don't think this thing would even come up unless somebody purposefully tried to pull it up. So you might choose not to do the adhesive. You know, you can go back and do it if you want, just to be doubly sure that it stays in place, but it fits snugly. Looks nice, looks really nice. Let's go take a look at one of the other pieces in the box. All right, so I've pulled the next piece out. And again, much like the other, has some adhesive strips here in the back that you can use. But let's see how this happens to fit up here for the passenger side front. I'll just push that on, and sure enough, it kind of pushes right down and stays over. You can, of course, still see your lighted strip there. It's got a nice fit and finish to it. Well, there we go. So again, I'll go ahead and put the other ones on, and eventually I surely will pull the adhesive strips off the back and put those on. But you know, I think I might test it out without the adhesive strips for a little bit, because I'm just kind of curious to see how well they stay in place without them. But hey, these look great. I know Yeslak's got some more carbon fiber parts coming for the interior of the Cybertruck, so I look forward to maybe acquiring a few more of those. I like dressing up the, you know, the look of the Halo Cybertruck, whatnot, you know, needs to be kind of rugged, and you know, I think carbon fiber kind of speaks to that theme, so I enjoy doing it. I know carbon fiber is not necessarily for everyone, or maybe some people like glossy as opposed to matte. I kind of prefer the matte finish for, you know, for this particular application. But anyway, again, I would like to thank Yeslak for sending us these. I will put a link in the description of the video and on the article on the website of where you can acquire these for yourselves from Yeslak. And be sure and use our discount code to get a little bit more off on your purchase. Thanks again for watching. This is Tesla Ken for the Cybertruck.com website.